Hey there, and welcome to the Totally First Crochet channel. My name's Thomas, and today's a little different. Actually, welcome to my couch, to my unglamorous couch. And it's a bit messy over here. And by the way, little Miss Grumpy is here with me as well on the sofa. Say hi! So this video is a bit different than my usual tutorial videos. Mainly because this week I received a comment that basically said that it was a bit confusing that when I do double crochets, I sometimes yarn over, then sometimes I yarn under, or I switch from one method to the other. And I was like, let's take this for another sort of category on my channel, the crochet tips. So we can dive into things or check out things, how I do stuff. And by doing crochet for so many years, you start having your own techniques that you feel are like the most comfortable way of doing things, so you can have the speed while crocheting and you're also getting the stitches done and they look right. So this is it, the first crochet tips from me. Directly from my couch. Now I'm going to switch to the place where I usually take my tutorial videos, and let's dive right into this. I'm currently working on a Relaxagon shirt, my first one. I completely suck at making clothes for myself because I'm too tall, too big, but I'm getting there. It looks promising. My summer shirt, we'll see. But since this is all made with double crochets, this will then be my example, because when I first read the comment, I was like, no, I'm not. I'm not switching. But then I analyzed myself a little bit, and then I found out, yes, I do switch, and I wanted to know why, so I'm going to show you why, and maybe that gives you a better understanding why I do the double crochets the way I do them. Okay, so let's take a look what I do and why I do it. So basically when I make a double crochet, I just yarn over, go in, then actually yarn under, yarn over again, and yarn over. And when I do tutorials, of course, I don't think about that much what I do and why I do it. So here we have it again, zoomed in. So when I do a double crochet, I yarn over, then I go into the space, then I actually yarn under, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull it through two, yarn over, and pull it through two. So basically there are 3 yarn overs and 1 yarn under. And I had actually no idea that I'm doing it like this. Maybe I'm not the only one who does it like this. But since that person from the comments was a bit confused and wanted to know why I do it like this, I had to observe myself in terms of why I'm actually doing this. So the first thing I did was I was trying to make a double crochet only with yarn overs. So yarn over, go into the space, yarn over again, pull the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. It works. And it looks exactly the same. I can't see any of a difference. And it looks the same. So let's try the same thing with only yarn unders. So yarn under, go in the space, yarn under, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2, and pull it through. This was a bit tough, actually. And pull it through. And it looks completely different. As you can see, it looks, compared to those three, this one looks a bit weird. So yarn under definitely won't work. So I'm going to take this out. So then I ask myself, why am I switching? And I think the only reason why is that I pull the yarn over or under depending on the direction I'm going. So when I start with the yarn over, I then go in the space, and then the yarn is already beneath my crochet hook. So it's actually easier for me to yarn from under, and then it's also like directly in the head of the hook, so I can easily pull it through the space, and then I come from the back of the work, and then of course I yarn over, pull it through too, and then the same thing applies. I come with the yarn from the back, so I'm yarning over and pull it through to have my double crochet. Let's do this again. I yarn over, I go in the loop, then I actually yarn under, because it's easier, because otherwise I would have to go around my hook. And then here is also the yarn strand, and then I pull it through. Now I have the 3 loops, yarn over and yarn over, and it looks the same. So there's no difference whether you have the second yarn over under as a yarn under. It looks the same. Personally, I just think that by yarning over and then yarning from under, the way to go for the yarn is a bit shorter, and I can immediately go out of that space again and pull the yarn through. So maybe if you haven't done this before, this is a new tip on how to make double crochets. But this is how I do all of my double crochets actually, and so far they worked out very well. So you got it? 1 yarn over, then 1 yarn under, then 2 yarn overs. I hope it's not too complicated, and I hope I'm not the only one. So now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments how you do your double crochets. Do you yarn over, do you yarn under, or do you do both like I do? I hope you enjoyed watching this very first crochet tips video from me, from the couch, from me at home. And if you did, don't forget to press like and to subscribe to my channel, and send me a comment if you have other things that you want to see in more detail, or things that you didn't understand from what I did. I'm always happy to help. So see you next time, only at the Totally First Crochet channel. Bye!